Canned tuna is a simple, nutritious, great, and quick product to satisfy quality lunches even when you're short on time. The production process of canned tuna is an industrial process that involves several steps. Let's look at them together. Tuna is caught offshore by specialized fishing vessels. Different fishing techniques are used, including hook and line, gill nets, and long line. Different types of tuna are caught in different waters. Atlantic Ocean, the waters of the North Atlantic, including regions around the Azores, Canary Islands, Spain, Portugal, and Ireland, are known bluefin tuna fishing. Pacific Ocean. This is a major fishing area for albacore, Tunis albacaris, and yellowfin tuna, Tunis albacaris. Fishing areas include the Eastern Pacific Ocean, off the coast of Central and South America, and the Western Pacific Ocean, off the coast of Asia and Australia. Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean waters, such as the area around the Maldives, Seychelles, and Comoros Islands, are known for tuna fishing. Freezing on board. Many tuna fishing vessels are equipped with freezing systems on board. Freshly caught tuna is immediately transferred to refrigerated compartments at very low temperatures, usually around -40 degrees Celsius or -40 degrees Fahrenheit. This rapid freezing process helps preserve the freshness and quality of the fish. Landing and sorting. Once the tuna reaches port, it is unloaded and transferred to processing facilities. Here, the fish are sorted and graded according to size and quality. Unwanted or too small species are removed. The tuna is then cleaned thoroughly to remove the guts, head, and tail. Next comes filleting, which involves separating the fish meat from the skin and bones to obtain tuna fillets. This step in the process requires skill and precision to ensure that the fillets are free of bones and any inedible parts. Here are the main steps for filleting. Removal of fins. Before beginning filleting, the fins of the tuna are cut off and removed. This may include the dorsal fins, ventral fins, and pectoral fins. Skin cutting. A crosscut is made on the skin of the tuna to facilitate its removal. This is done taking into account the shape and size of the fish to obtain the desired fillet. Separation of the fillets. Using a sharp knife, a precise cut is made along the spine of the tuna to separate the fillets. The knife runs along the spine, gently removing the flesh and separating it from the skin. Removal of bones. During filleting, any bones or thorns that may have remained in the fillets are removed. This requires care and careful inspection of the fillets to ensure that they are free of bones. Cooking. The tuna fillets are then steamed or boiled in large pots or autoclaves. This process helps preserve the tuna and improve its shelf life. Cooking can take several minutes depending on the desired size and texture. Cooling. After cooking, tuna is cooled quickly to stop the cooking process and preserve its freshness. It can be immersed in cold water or passed through an air cooling system. Preparation of cans. The cans used to package canned tuna are generally made of tin or aluminum. Before use, the cans undergo proper cleaning and sterilization to ensure hygiene and product safety. Filling the cans. Cleaned and filleted tuna fillets are placed inside the prepared cans. The boxes may contain a single fillet or multiple fillets, depending on the size and preference of the producer. Adding the oil or preserving liquid. Before completely sealing the cans, vegetable oil or a preserving liquid is added. The oil is used to cover the tuna and keep it hydrated, while the preserving liquid is a mixture of water, salt, and sometimes soy sauce that helps preserve the freshness of the fish. Sealing the cans. Once the tuna has been placed inside the cans and the oil or the preserving liquid has been added, the cans are hermetically sealed. This can be done through the use of sealing machines or manually, depending on the size and production capacity of the company. Sterilization of boxes. After sealing, the tuna boxes undergo a thermal sterilization process to ensure food safety and product preservation. The sealed cans are placed in an autoclave, a high-pressure chamber, where they are subjected to high temperatures for a specific period of time. This process eliminates bacteria and other microorganisms inside the cans, helping to extend the shelf life of the tuna. Cooling and labeling. After sterilization, tuna cans are cooled gradually before being labeled. The label contains information such as the producer's name, type of tuna, net weight, and date of production. Labeling is important for traceability purposes and to provide information to consumers. Addition of oil or preserving liquid. Before the can is completely sealed, vegetable oil or preserving liquid, usually water, salt, and sometimes soy sauce, is added to cover the tuna and preserve its freshness. Sterilization. The sealed cans are then subjected to an autoclave thermal sterilization process. The cans are placed in a huge autoclave where they are subjected to high temperatures for a specific period of time. This process eliminates bacteria and other harmful microorganisms, ensuring a longer shelf life for the product. Final cooling. After sterilization, the cans are gradually cooled before being labeled and packed for distribution. Production. Canned tuna is a popular and widely consumed food product worldwide. Major producing countries of canned tuna include Thailand, the Philippines, Spain, Ecuador, and the United States. Consumption. The consumption of canned tuna is widespread in many countries, both as a standalone food and as an ingredient in recipes and dishes. Major consumers of canned tuna include countries such as the United States, Japan, Spain, Italy, and France. Exports. Countries that produce canned tuna often export the product to other nations. Exports of canned tuna are mainly led by Thailand, the Philippines, Spain, Ecuador, and Indonesia. Tuna is an excellent source of high-quality protein. Protein is essential for the growth, maintenance, and repair of tissues in our bodies. Consuming tuna can help meet daily protein requirements. Omega-3 fats. Tuna is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. These omega-3 fats are beneficial for heart health, helping the reduce of inflammation, improve heart function, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Ideal for so many dishes in cuisines around the world. See you soon.